What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm going to do a real quick video over a box I just got. Figured just got it in, might as well get her done. This is a knife that I've already had. This is a different variation. They kind of came together, so I was like, you know what, heck yeah, I'll check it out. Always for Kunwu, right? But I really want to check this guy right here. This is from Tuya Knife, and it is satin flax DLC with a PVD black titanium. Ooh! I kind of been wanting to check this out for a little while now. So nothing else in there. All right. Let's flip her open. Flips pretty well. All right, all right. Kind of wanted to check this out just because it reminded me of Giant Mouse a little bit. Just a little bit of like the style overall. Like I know it's probably not obviously. Probably nothing to do with them. Just look kind of close to the same. Now I'm not comparing them, saying one's better or the other. I know a lot of people do that now these days, and drives me crazy. But you know, someone's copying someone on something apparently everywhere you go. So I don't really get into that stuff. I think it's as long as you make a great knife, that's what I care about. And you ain't stealing exactly the same design. Like I have two knives that look exactly the same from two different companies or designers, then you might have a problem. But you know, overall, if they change up some stuff, you know, whatever, you know, make a great knife. That's all I care about. But this thing is kind of cool though. I like it. I like the way it flips open. It's pretty smooth. Um, Pocket clip's not too shabby. Feels pretty good in hand. Feels a little small though. Kind of maybe that's kind of why. Well, it feels like my giant mouse that I have. I have an Ace Atelier, and it kind of feels like that in the hand. I'll have to get it out and check it out and compare it, but it kind of feels like that. The blade shape's kind of what reminded me a little bit of it too. A little bit, not quite the same. Um, got some nice little cutouts right there. Nice little back spacer right here. Some texturing right there. I'm sure it's titanium. Um, Guessing that's the designer. It didn't have that on there though, did it? No, no name, no designer name. So I don't know exactly who the designer is, but not too shabby though. 20 CV. I like 20 CV, like I said. Um, Flips open pretty well. Closes pretty smooth. Not too shabby, not too shabby. Pretty good. Like the jimping on top. You've not really placed the choke up with your index finger, but it definitely, if your thumb right there, that's a nice little hook right there. Um, Makes it feel better. You definitely choke up and get your fine work done, or you just hang out on that jimping and be just fine. Kind of nice. I like it. Um, frame lock works very well. Pocket clips, I'm sure titanium as well. I kind of like the design, how it's kind of thin and it kind of gets a little bigger, obviously. I kind of like that. It's not a bad look. Kind of straight with the back a little bit almost. I like the jimping on this though. It's pretty nice. Oh, I didn't even notice that they only did that on this side. Huh. So I'll get a close up for you guys real quick just to show you everything. Nice blade shape, what did it say? DLC, yeah, DLC. Nice, nice. Looks pretty good. Let me clean that up a little bit. Not bad though. Um, Kind of simple. Not bad though. Elegant, I guess I would say. Um, Tuya knife, I don't have a lot of Tuya knives like checked out and stuff like that, but this is probably one of my favorite ones. I like that. I had the Wraith, or I don't know what WRATH Wrath, I guess. I liked it, but it had problems or things I didn't care for. This doesn't have that stuff. Overall, I feel like pretty solid. And there's nothing on there I probably wouldn't like necessarily on this. Like overall it looks pretty good. Like it's the same color, everything. All this exactly actually the same now that I think about it. Like the blade color, DLC coating, the titanium handle. It's all the same, but I definitely like this better. I like that it doesn't have thumb studs because their thumb studs were kind of sharp, had sharp edges on them. So that was kind of like my breaking point with it. But this right here is the Tuya I would buy. Now I don't know how much it is, but it's definitely would be a keeper. Let's check this out. Oh, I do like their bags. I always have. Something's in there. Oh, and it comes with extra hardware. You'll always want that stuff. I like these bags. I use them every day just for knives and stuff like that. I have a book bag I carry, and for like work stuff like that, has work stuff in there and just like books and stuff. And I always keep a knife in it too. I always put it in one of these bags, and there you go. Right. I got a couple stickers right here. Your cloth, all the usual goodies from Kunwu because they definitely give you the goodies. Not my goodies. Anybody know that song? I think it's Sierra. I hope someone knows that song. I hope it's Sierra too on top of it. I can't remember. I didn't really listen to that music a whole lot, but just remember everyone said that. My goodies. My goodies. Not my goodies. Yada yada yada. Sorry. Tangent. But so what we all got? So we got extra springs. Got extra clips. Got two of them. Sorry, I hit the camera. My bad, my bad. I wonder why they came with two wire clips. Unless, titanium on. Okay. So it's got the titanium one on there. So that's why. So it comes with an extra pocket clip. And you have a whole bunch of extra screws. So don't lose those. You have an extra Omega spring in case it breaks. Kind of nice. Because some people say they have problems with them off and on. Not Kunwu and Jim are just like Omega springs. They break, you know. It's a clutch lock. I think, no, this is the XT lock. You know, they break. You know, they're going to if you use them enough and stuff like that. So it's just, you got to live with it. And this is the Chad. I have one. Diamond texturing. Freaking love it. It's probably one of my, it is probably my favorite Kunwu right now, the Chad. Like I have the Padre, I have Pulse. S-Tau is one of my favorites. I've had it the longest, and it's always been a solid knife. But Chad's kind of been in my pocket more than any of them lately. And I just wanted to check this one out too because it came with this, and I love their orange peel. Let's kind of zoom in real quick for you, or get a close up. There you go. See, it just looks good. It feels good in hand. It's not like too smooth. That gives you a little bit of love right there. But overall, like they're great knives. They really do make a great knife. A little bit of grub right there. Have to clean that up. No big deal. I like the thumb pad, I guess, thumb pad. They're actually pretty nice. They actually work pretty well. When I first got it, like took me like literally a day to kind of adjust to it, but that was it. It only took a day, and then it just not easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Definitely perfect for your thumb. Like if you want to open it this way, definitely perfect for that. Stone wash also, and this is PM60. It's got KLP on it, something like that right there. So there you go. You see it right there, PM60. And good stuff. Oh, titanium pot clips. They always have good titanium pot clips. I bought a couple extras because I only had the S-Tau, and I had another knife that had a wire clip on it. Oh, the Pulse. No, the Pulse. No, not Pulse. Pulsar. They both had like different clips, and I bought two titanium clips for them, and love them now. They're great. They're both great knives. I don't have a bad Kunwu yet. Overall, solid feeling. I'll do a final review over this because I don't think I've done one over my other Chad either, so I need to get that out soon too. And so I might as well do them both at the same time. Obviously, they're the exact same knife, so just different texturing. I do like that right there. Let's kind of zoom in a little bit. A little bit of milling all around it. That's what I like about Kunwu. They add that little extra. If they go that extra little mile, super nice. And this is a great overall knife. Again, I'll get the final reviews out on these soon. And great knives. Let's check them out real quick. Again, one last time. There you go. Can't go wrong with them, right? That's all I got. If you have any comments or any questions or anything like that, leave them down in the comment section. Or if you like the video, just leave a thumbs up. Thanks.